the camp with empowering them to think about themselves as brave, bold, unstoppable STEM leaders. For youth, when we think about the combination of drawing from the land and water plus something related to technology like a drone, it really ignites new possibilities and curiosities. Some of them are starting to understand that technology can be a superpower. Why middle school matters for us to develop STEM identity in students as early as possible is because they are part of our future solutions. They are our future leaders. We're going to see students that are authoring the future of Idaho and not just receiving it. I am 100% confident now after this week that if they stay in Idaho, they're going to make a positive impact. That's how you build a thriving Idaho.